Hey everybody, Matt Talbert here. I'm going to give you a little studio tour for Vanessa Roth Fine Art in Laguna Beach. So, let's see. So this is my workstation right here. This is my computer with my nice monitor that's all color corrected for viewing photos. I have my cameras up here. I'm into collecting cameras and I use a lot for shooting videos and taking reference photos. Lots of art books and different things like that. Here you're seeing a little sneak peek of something I just started this morning. That's how my paintings look when they first start. That's my second monitor that I use to paint from the reference photos. This is my palette with all my paint and stuff underneath. I exclusively use Blue Ridge oil colors. They're my favorite. I've been using them for like 10 years or so. And my big work desk with some paintings on it and some prints. More storage under here. Here's my secret stash of paint and extra brushes. More brushes, more brushes, and more brushes. Let's see, I've got some paintings of my son right there, more art books, a little couch for contemplating, and I've got some tripods and mounts all over the place because I've been doing a lot of YouTube videos lately. This one is going to be a woman in a pool. Just started, just having fun with it right now. Getting a little crazy. I hope you enjoyed the little studio visit. It's not much, but it does its job. I enjoy my little studio.